blow someone's mind by supersizing your business. This is Thelma from Scooby-Doo and a little turkey puzzle piece, but it looks like a blown mind. So this idiom, this expression is, of course, from the 1960s. It's actually closely referred to the hippie era. It first appeared in 1965 in writing in an Ohio Sunday newspaper called the Sunday Messenger. And it's often associated with drug use, psychedelic drug use in particular. Don't have any experience with that, but I did grow up in the 60s. I was born in 1960, but I was just a little kid through the 60s, so I fortunately missed the hippie era for the most part. Not the white go-go boots. My mom bought us all white go-go boots. I remember that as little kids. But for the most part, no hippie stuff for me. Now, what does this idiom mean? This is actually one of the most versatile and, I guess, well-used expression and well-known expressions of the 1900s and the 20th century, the 21st century now beyond, because so many people are, what it means is to strongly affect somebody, right? And you don't have to have drugs to strongly affect someone or to have an impact on things. It's a really versatile idiom, and it means to just affect somebody in a way that changes them or transforms them. So just about every coach or guru or author or person on the planet that you know wants to have a positive impact on other people's lives, and that can blow their mind, right? So my question for you today is, and it's kind of a fun one, whose mind are you blowing by growing and building and supersizing your own business? Whose mind are you blowing because you have your own business? Most of us started out as entrepreneurs, and none of us, were born business owners, but we all chose to have our own business and then grow and build and supersize that business. Is it your customers that you delight and blow their mind every day? Is it the competitors? A lot of our competitors don't love us if we are stealing customers away from them, in their opinion. That blows their mind. How can they come and do business with us when they should be doing business with them? Do you have a nemesis or an arch enemy or an enemy or a person from the past that you want to prove that you can do something and create something? Maybe you were bullied as a kid and you've decided that you're going to show them and you're going to grow this business and supersize it. Maybe your family and friends haven't always been the most supportive. Anybody have family and friends that aren't super supportive about their business endeavors? Of course we do. So maybe it's their mind you want to blow by supersizing and growing your business. How about old teachers or old coaches or old people that told you couldn't do something? And then there's always the exes, right? If you happen to have an ex-girlfriend, ex-spouse, ex-anything, ex-friend, you want to prove to them that you can grow and supersize and succeed without them, because a lot of times people try to convince us that we need them in order to do anything, and it's an absolute lie. How about setting an example for your kids or the world? How about yourself? How about blowing your own mind with the things that you're capable of and doing that you would never have even imagined when you were a past version of yourself? So whose mind are you blowing as you supersize and grow your business? Share in the comments below, because I would love to know. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, let me know. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom, emotion related. I think blowing someone's mind is pretty emotional, or having your mind blown is pretty emotional. And I'd say blowing our mind is just looking at things differently, being willing to see things in another light or from a different perspective. That blows my mind every day, that we can come up with different ways of looking at the same old things and seeing things differently than we might have in the past, to create brand new things that blow people's mind in today's world. So have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow. Bye.